Okay, so this is chapter 7, page 164, number 6, and this question gives you 4 scatter plots, which I just drew again over here, and it asks you to figure out what kind of association all these graphs have. Okay, so let's start. Letter A is little or no association. So here's the graphs over here. It looks like number 1 doesn't really have any kind of association. It's just a bunch of random points on a scatter plot. So you can put number 1 for A. Letter B, a negative association. This probably would be negative because it's going on like a downward slope, like it has like a negative slope, so B would be 4. C, a linear association. Okay, so it's probably between, actually this would not be a choice, it would be between these 3, and I think you can rule out number 3 because it's kind of on a curve and it's not linear. So you only have number 2 and number 4. And this is a negative slope and this is a positive slope, and they're both linear. So letter C would be 2 and 4. Okay, letter D, a moderately strong association. What that basically means is that the points are kind of like surround each other and they're not scattered too much, and they basically have like a pattern and like a good form. Okay, so a moderately strong association is present in this graph, the scatter plot, I guess this scatter plot, and you could say this one too, because you could see a line forming here. So D would be 2, 3, and 4. And the last letter, E, a very strong association. Number 4 doesn't really have, it's like strong, but it's not too strong. Like, it's not a very strong association. So you can rule out number 4, and number 1 you don't really have to consider either. So which leaves you with 2 and 4, and I guess this is a pretty strong association. Like the points, like if you drew a curve, it would be surrounding. Here, I'll draw it. Like if you drew that, the points are kind of around the curve, so that's pretty good. That's a strong association there. And then you have this one right here. So if you drew a line of best fit, the points kind of surround it, and a lot of points hit the line too. So E would be 2 and 3 because they're strong associations. And that's it.